I am going to increase your filing space by 23% in the same file cabinet. Hi everyone, I'm Doug Mintz with Cubicles Plus Office Furnishings here in the Villages, Florida. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about lateral files. Now, lateral files are the most efficient means of filing all your paperwork. They measure 18 inches deep and they come in a multitude of widths, but we are going to talk specifically about a 42-inch wide cabinet, and this is why. Bring that cabinet home, open up a drawer, you'll find one filing bar at the rear of the cabinet, which will allow you to file all your paperwork side to side. Now, on a 42-inch lateral file, that gives you 39 lineal inches of filing capacity in each drawer. Now, here's the little trick. Now, all you need to do is purchase rail kits and file all your paperwork front to back in the drawer. This makes your files more accessible, and more important, this gives you 48 inches of filing per drawer. Now, I know that 9 extra inches doesn't sound like a lot, but when you consider a 4-drawer cabinet, you've just increased your filing capacity in that same file cabinet by 36 inches. That's 3 more feet. Or as I stated at the beginning of this video, that's 23% more filing in the same cabinet. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Doug Mintz with Cubicles Plus Office Furnishings, and we'll see you next time with another office tip.